Melody, and today I'm going to share with you another refreshing drink. I love lemonade. There's just something with citrus and sugar coming together that just gives such an amazing flavor. And when you add a fruit flavor to that mixture, it just takes it up a notch. I would have done strawberry lemonade. I'm going to link that one in the iCards above. I would have also done watermelon lemonade. That is so delicious. But today, I'm going to share with you passion fruit lemonade. You are going to love it. So let's go over the ingredients. We have 2 limes. We have 3 fully ripe passion fruits. And we have 1.5 cups of simple syrup. Our first step is to prepare our limes. So if your limes are a little hard, one tip, you can rub them on a counter for a few moments and that will get them nice and soft so you can extract as much juice as possible. Next, we're going to slice our ripe passion fruits in half. We're going to extract all of the pulp and you need a blender for this. We're going to add it to the blender. Voila. So let's get started.
I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it.
Now we're going to add everything to the blender. We don't want to blend till we pulverize the seeds, especially if we're using a Vitamix blender, which is high powered. It's gonna pulverize those seeds, so you're gonna just pulse it. So we blend. Oh, it smells so good. The passion fruit is just so strong. Now that we have it partially finished, we're gonna strain, we're gonna taste, and then we're gonna add a little more simple syrup and a little more water just to complete this amazing drink. Our passion fruit lemonade is done. We're going to strain it one final time. This smells so good. Passion fruit always gives such an amazing aroma. The color is gorgeous and the taste, you have to try it. Once we've strained it this final time, we're going to add it to a glass to chill and taste. Our passion fruit lemonade is done. Isn't it a gorgeous color? I can almost call this passion fruit sunrise because of this brilliant yellow color. It smells so strong of passion fruit. Whenever you're using passion fruit, you can always tell the aroma just fills the kitchen. Now, let's taste. So refreshing, absolutely wonderful taste. If you happen to have a glut of passion fruits on the market, I highly recommend using this drink. It not only gives a great taste, but passion fruits are strong in vitamin A and vitamin C, so it's tasty and it's also nutritious. Passion fruit lemonade, now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this passion fruit recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other passion fruit recipes, and once you watch them all, click the button below, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.